Today, we're going to add authorized signatories to approve payments, ensuring secure and controlled access to your company's funds. Log into your Docyt account by visiting app.docyt.com. Select the business you want to add the authorized signatory to by clicking on the All Businesses drop-down menu and selecting the business. Click on Settings in the top bar menu. In the left navigation menu, you'll see Payment Methods. Go ahead and choose this option to proceed to the next step. Now, click on the Authorized Signatory section. Click on the plus icon Add Team Member to begin. Enter their name or email address in the designated field. As you type, a list of matching team members will appear. Click on the name of the person you want to authorize. Once you've made your selection, finalize the process by clicking the Done button at the bottom right corner of your screen. The new authorized signatory will receive a notification the next time they log into Docyt, keeping everyone in sync and your payments process running smoothly. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.